Call that?
It's a sea bass in a salt
Seabass.
crust.
It's all salt, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is
Lot
a
of
specialist, huh? So what are you gonna do? Just
You gotta make sure the fish is dead.
all right.
No. Take the crust out.
Make sure it's cooked. Oh, very nice. Salt, see the fish in the salt. Wow, that's nice. And a beautiful girl we're doing it, which is make it more even delicious. Wow, taking the skin off, see? Professional, they know what they're doing. Oh
Backbone.
my God, they're professionals. Look at that. Look at the way she do it. She's been doing this for years now.
Tail.
It's beautiful. Girl. So salt is only outside. It's not does not go in the meat.
You have to like a bit salty, but
Aha.
we didn't add any salt on the fish.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You want to?
So you're gonna put it on the. All right. Look at that. Amazing.
And I'll put it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.